I didn't realize it had drank all of its water, so I'm filling it back up to the lines. It's been so hot the past few days, but you see it is just a drinking. It was thirsty. So I did have the little plant in that one, but I think I see something growing in this one, but I'm not for sure. But you can see in here, look, I've got plants growing. And this first one I think was the radishes. That is like so cool. Look at those little things. My strawberries hadn't died. I think they're still growing because the runner looks like it's growing. Those that we transplanted broke. But there's some radishes and stuff growing in there. This is kind of hard to do. Okay, sorry. And there's some growing in there. I'm not sure, I think I see some sprouts. But the third one up, there's something growing. And I'll have to go back to my first video because I can't remember what I planted in each one. But I'm so excited to see some green. This is our vertical Greenstalk planter, and I'm trying to fill it up so it'll last a day or two, and I'll keep it. I usually keep it up there, but it has been so hot here in South Mississippi that it has sucked us down. I'll update y'all in a few more days. Thanks for watching from Raising Ronies.